Good morning, dear children. We are learning the story of 12 months, right? In last period, we have seen some part of this lesson. What have we seen? Morukla is a girl who is having a stepmother and a stepsister whose name is Holena. Stepmother and stepsister are troubling Morukla like anything. They want to get rid of her, and so they are sending her into the forest, though it was winter. Okay, then what did we see? Morukla went to the forest to get the violets, the flowers which are in violet color. This was a demand by her stepsister Holena. Okay, but it was a winter, and so Morukla could not get violets. Then what did she see? She saw the 12 months. Great January was sitting on the highest seat. Morukla requested them that she wanted some violet flowers. Then Great January told the month March to take high seat. Once the month March took the high seat, the atmosphere was changed and it was springtime. The violet flowers began to bloom. Right? We have seen till here. Let us see what happens next. I am reading and simultaneously explaining. Now, pick up them quickly, Morukla, commanded March. So what happened, children? Everywhere the violet flowers were seen. And so the month March commanded or told or ordered Morukla that to pick the flowers and go. Morukla picked them joyfully till she had a big bunch. Then she thanked the months with all her heart and scampered merrily at home. So what happened? She took all the flowers, okay? She took a big bunch of flowers. She thanked all the months and then she went home or she ran home quickly, happily. Holena and the stepmother wondered when they saw Morukla bringing the violets. They opened the door to her and the scent of violets filled at the cottage. So what happened? Holena and the stepmother thought that she will not come back because it was too cold outside. Even the snowfall was there. But Morukla could come back and she was carrying the violets. So when stepmother opened the door, what happened? The scent of violet flowers filled all the cottage. Where did you get them? Asked Helena sulkily. What do you mean by sulkily? That means without having any happiness or without smiling, or somebody when refused to smile, somebody when refused to be happy, it is sulkily. Okay, so Helena asked without smiling, where did you get them? They are growing under the bushes in a forest on the high mountains, said Morukla. What she said? These flowers are growing under the bushes in a forest on the high mountains. Helena snatched all the flowers and did not give even a single flower to her sister. So what did Helena do? She grabbed all the flowers and did not give any single flower to her sister. The next day, she called to her sister and said, "Go, Morukla, and get me some strawberries from the forest." Now see, again they are demanding something. So every day they started to demand something new which Morukla cannot do. They are thinking that Morukla will not able to do this task, and in this cold or in this winter she will not able to come back to house. So this is their plan. So Helena told Morukla to get some strawberries from the forest. Alas, dear sister, where could I find any strawberries in this hard winter? So Morukla said that I cannot find strawberries in this hard winter. How can you tell me to do so? How dare you to argue? Go at once and get the strawberries, or I will kill you. See what happened? Again, Helena scolded, or she got angry on Morukla, and she said, how dare you to argue? Go right now, otherwise I will kill you. Again, she is threatening and telling that she will kill Morukla if she does not get the strawberries. The stepmother caught hold of Morukla and pushed her out of the door and shut it after her. So again, stepmother, what she did? She caught hold of Morukla and pushed her out, and she closed the door behind her. Morukla went to the forest, weeping bitterly. The snow was lying deep, and there was not a human footprint to be seen anywhere. So, no one was out because the snow was lying deep. She wondered about for a long time, tortured by hunger and trembling with cold. So she was tortured, that means she was hungry. She was so much hungry and she was trembling with the cold. At last she saw the light she had seen the other day. Now same light she saw which she had seen the other day. Overjoyed, she went towards it. She came to the great fire with the 12 months sitting around it. Again she saw that the fire was burning and the 12 months were sitting around the fire. Please, kind sirs, let me warm my hands at the fire. Great January nodded and asked, why have you come again? And what are you looking for here? I am looking for strawberries. My sister Helena and my stepmother bade me bring some strawberries. And if I don't, they will kill me. Tell me, fathers, tell me please, where I can find them. So what did Morukla say? That I am looking for the strawberries. My stepmother and stepsister told me to get some strawberries. So please tell me where I can get the strawberries in this hard winter. So she was about to cry. So what happened next? Great January arose. He went over to the month sitting opposite to him. It was June, and handed the club to him, saying, brother, take the high seat. So what did January do? He rose up and he told the month June that please take the high seat. June took the high seat upon the stone and swung the club over the fire. The fire shot up and its heat melted the snow in a moment. The ground was all green. The trees were covered with leaves. The birds began to sing and the forest was filled with all kinds of flowers. It was summer. So you understood, children? See, the months in Europe or in America are little different. Months means the atmosphere is a little different than India. We think that in India we know that in India we have rain in June, whereas in other countries it is summer in June. So the description of summer is given in this lesson. The ground under the bushes was covered with white startlets. The starry blossoms were turning into strawberries every minute. They were ripened at once, and before Morukla had time to think, there were so many of them that it looked as though a red carpet had been sprayed on the ground. So you understood what happened. The strawberries were there, and every minute the blossom was turning into the strawberries. The strawberries were ripened at once. Okay, and before we come to know anything, so many strawberries were looked on the ground. It was looking like red carpet had been sprayed on the ground. Pick them up at once, Morukla commanded June. So what did June say? Pick them up. See the picture of strawberries, and Morukla is picking up the strawberries. Okay. So don't you think it is looking like a red carpet sprayed on the ground? Yes. Morukla picked them joyfully till she had filled her apron full. Then she thanked the months with all her heart and scampered merrily home. So what she did? She took the strawberries into her apron, and then she thanked all 12 months, and she went happily at home. She ran quickly. Scampered means what? She ran quickly at home. Helena and the stepmother wondered when they saw Morukla bringing the strawberries. Her apron was full of them. "Where did you pick them?" asked Helena sulkily. Again, without showing any happiness and without smiling, Helena asked, "That where did you find them?" "There were plenty of them growing in the forest on the high mountains," Morukla answered. Helena took all strawberries and ate them all with her mother. They did not leave even a single one for Morukla. So all strawberries they ate. Helena and her mother, they ate all strawberries, and they did not ask even a single one for Morukla. On the third day, Helena ordered, "Morukla, go into the forest and get some red apples." See what happened? Now every day they started demanding something new because they want to get rid of Morukla. So on third day, Helena ordered that Morukla should get some red apples from the forest. The stepmother again caught hold of Morukla and without giving her a chance to speak, pushed her out of the door and shut it after her. So, like every day, again the stepmother caught her and she sent her out and pushed the door behind her. Morukla went to the forest again, weeping bitterly. But she did not wonder about this time. She ran straight to the top of the mountain where the big fire was burning, and the 12 months were sitting round the fire. So what happened this time? That Morukla was crying. She was feeling very sad. But this time she knew that the 12 months will be sitting in the forest on the top of the mountain. So straight away she went to the top of the mountain where the 12 months were sitting. "Please, kind sirs, help me." Great January nodded and asked her, "What are you looking for today?" "I am looking for red apples. If I don't bring them, my sister and my mother will kill me." "Tell me, father, tell me, please, where I could find them." So again Great January asked that, "What are you looking for?" And she answered like every time that I am looking for the red apples. If I don't bring them, then my stepmother and stepsister will kill me. Okay, so children, today we will stop here. The rest part of the lesson we will see in next period. Okay, are you liking the lesson? Yes. So let us see what happens next in our next period. Till then, you are going to read the lesson till where we have completed. I am going to send a worksheet along with this video, and on that worksheet I will write the meanings of difficult words. Please copy those words in your notebook. Is it clear? Thank you, children.